say Mama is the best nation builder. And the time na Mama is buildings. Where were you? Were you not part of those who were criticizing the Green Book? Charlie Captain Smart, we are fed up. You've lost credibility. Just sit down. One can say, oh dear, Angel TV for you are, oh dear, come and do what Tanafie. Come and do what Tanafie. Sit down. Sit in the house. Nedidi. They are even just following you for their 4S4. Give it back to them. Sometimes Mama doesn't talk, doesn't mean say we're Jimmy. The man knows when to talk. If not for his God-fearing, if not for he was a good man. Banka, by now, this country has turned upside down. Banka, by now, this country has turned upside down. But Mama being God-fearing, you see, we are still into order. The country is still at its constitutional order. Look at what happened in Mama, this country. Look at Smart, you are the laziest journalist. Even the upcoming journalists, some even have credibility more than you. You can't come and sit somewhere. So, see other patch will say, Mama is now the good man and what. I don't know who Mahama. I didn't know who can say, Baba, and this Baba Gino, 2 hands. So, Captain Smart has apologized. So, we are happy. We are happy. You are hypocrites. These apologies are hypocritical apologies. The agenda you are setting up, it won't work. What Captain Smart said, MPP is not good. NDC is not good. So, which party is good? You said Alan Cash is no good. But you said, sorry, you didn't say Alan Cash. You said Akufo-Addo is no good. But Bon, Mahama Sonye. So who is now? That your agenda you are doing here. So our Alan Cash agenda now we why? Ube ba out a branebe catch say you are doing agenda. Because when you can't tell me and they say about me Abon, Akufo-Addo nye, Mahama Sonye. Who should do it? You when you do you remember? See, Captain Smart, sometimes we the young Ghanaians, let me tell you. We the young upcoming Ghanaians, we have now risen up. To see and who say, like we've seen the zeal in it. We've seen say, or mine say yen youth no, yen memuna sorry antinasia. Or mine bebo. In so Captain Smart say what I say like unia sembia can once them in us yes baby tuna. Don't even bring yourself closer to NDC. Because NDC we know we have people who can speak to us, who can speak for us. Our flag bearer is an epitome of advice to us. That is why basa no. What it? Into Captain Smart yesterday, and the ube who say kind of saying Mahama is a good man. And let me remind you, Ghanaians, let me just put this thing out. Captain Smart is an agenda man. I am saying it again. Captain Smart is an agenda man. When did you, Captain Smart, started talking about Nkrumah? When did you, Captain Smart, started talking about Nkrumah? When they changed the syllabus, did you spoke about it? When did you hear what Nkrumah was this, Nkrumah was that, Nkrumah was this? You are not serious. Captain Smart, just see a break na yendru baby ya. Yanyandru 2024. Don't sense any victory and try to come and bataye. Me bataye. Why? Yes, sir. Don't see victory now. Me bataba. Me sorry, family. I said, me the network is somehow. And who victory be? And you to say be our sense victory and say, oh, bataba NDC. Please, we are begging you. We have the men, and you are not part of us. You are not part. We NDC and our flag bearer, we know what we are doing. We are begging you, Captain Smart. We don't men use who apologies name mame bata. We don't need it. Send your apologies back. Please send your apologies back because we don't need me say wo Captain Smart that Ben I was start to say wo ka Kwame Nkrumah ho asen. When did you started this? You are now trying to like connect the Nkrumahist because someone says yeah, what time Kwame Nkrumah you are nobody. So you are trying to connect the Nkrumahist and do your agenda. It won't work. It's not going to work, Captain Smart. Please. A woman, a woman, two different things, and you have proven it. Tamana a woman, nana and war. You didn't know, say, the government was bad. You didn't know the governance was bad. But nana a woman, when we say a warrior, afuna who say the akufado any and dan ko akufado what the enko si hwe bala omusika na we die and now akoye well this money I atwe atwe no nya afuna wa be ka kire you say na this and that we beg you Captain Smart Ebusia just be careful of Captain Smart because Captain Smart he doesn't have any credibility. He's a hypocrite, a political bigot, a tribalistic bigot. Yes, sir, Captain Smart. Please. And yes, Bia, Obi town, but when no mukasa, any reactions, and I'm more abedu baby away to into Obi and town, and yes, be Obi Powers. Yes, sir, what do agenda now? Do your agenda on your own and leave our president alone. Leave our flag bearer alone because our flag bearer now why did Mahama button it doesn't mean that Odim the oil he knows what he's doing. Okay, please, Captain Smart, we are begging you, just leave him, just Jino, just let him be. Mahama is our Mahama. Long live NDC, long live Mahama, long live Managana. Thank you very much.
Obiato nka obiati why obiati
hello
ejampacho obiati o boss obiati dia wokan why obiati
the thing is
yo
ayana me ya say omo Ghana na what to kwa ba brochire say na jini sem kwa na omo ya na wa for brother yen say we tell brochire aka wo swela ansa e wo mu ke anko omo weekend na omo ya say ka omo ko esado mo da yin so omo just say omuku aban ni masia na say muku mo ho ni masi every say Captain Smart but I say papa we know I swear say for video no say the way I am with here omo nation ma oja say bra say me ko kana sia yo aka even a commitment to me because the moment me can so me you say ba you know ma me no me see the can compare come put it to cry the book na ko be put it aka ka be me what do you say again in your work of sound cement what do you say again in your work of sound cement
brother
what do you say again in your work of sound cement second they could come and say ole mo ko yo police for aban entu police ni papa bi ala she no police ni papa be she no top and that papa mo pa le police ni no o be so o ke ka police for ni kana for ni tipo na ona o ka to we ni papa na o ko ko ti no ko ti o mo no o mo ti ni o na o fere na brother o fere
Debbie I'm on ferry
na emi ya say o de na ana bi you send o agobi ni just try to no o de send o
Jimmy no o de send me abu abi sa
o mo ye lu ba se ko o de so bi a wo ba ye yi pa na o ti so 40 o ba ye pasia into ferry
on ferry
o nya no akore sa fo pa o mo me say na we a plus ko be ba ti we mo bo serious be ko bia but emi ya say am before no yes am before the ya
brother mama ka say me ntrel brother mama ka say me ntrel kra na afi mane san ye omobo kra nka ho unim demonstration we a omokoye